What is up, queens and kings? Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Here at Queenbudgetz, we are tackling all things financial, from budgeting by paycheck, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, debt payoff, while currently on a low income and a single mom of 3. So if that sounds like something that would interest you, I invite you to hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification. Go ahead and join the SHMONEY team, baby, because we're lit and we're over here getting our SHMONEY together. What is up, queens and kings? What it do? Boo boo, okay? Literally, I am just getting home from work. I had the most amazing day today, and I'm just in a really good mood. So let's start with our cards, cause we need a positive message, okay? We need a positive message. All right, so this quote on the front says, "Life is beautiful. Enjoy every minute of today." And I have literally been enjoying every minute of today. Y'all, I am so proud of myself. I am not about to wrap y'all up. I'm gonna wrap y'all up just a little bit, but just hear me out. You know what I'm saying? Y'all my subscribers. So y'all know I love y'all and I know y'all love me. So just hear me out. So, like, I'm so proud of myself, y'all. Like, I know I say this in almost every video, but I am so proud of myself. Like, years ago, if I would have totaled my car and wasn't sure of how I was going to get another car and having to spend a whole lot of money, I would have just be so depressed. Like, if I wasn't crying about it and whining about it and on the phone just constantly I would have just literally been so depressed. And I'm just going to say, I am so proud of myself. Like, I am trusting 100% that God is going to work it out for me. And I'm telling you guys, like, I've been having some of the best days of my life. Like, that little hurdle I had to jump over, it was small time to a giant like me. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, life is beautiful. Enjoy every minute of today. So our scripture for today is 2 Timothy chapter 4, verse 22. The Lord be with your spirit. Grace be with you. That's what I'm pulling in. Grace. I love my subscribers. Okay. All right. So we are cash stuffing $680. As you can tell from the title of the video, sis about to show y'all my counting skills. You know what I'm saying? I was going to pull the calculator. I was about to pull the calculator out, but now sis been practicing on her counting. So let me show y'all what I got. 100, 200, 300, 400, 450. Hold on. 500, 550, okay. 570, 590, 610. 620, 630, 640, 650, 655, 660, 665, 670, 675, 676, 77, 78, 79, 680. And that's on who? That's on who, y'all? That's on Murray Head Little Lamb, okay? I was about to say, what is we doing? You taking forever. Alright, let's start with our variable expenses in our cash envelope. Alright. Yeah, let's start with our cash. So for Queen, of course, we always start with the Queen. The Queen is here. She's getting $25. That's a 20 and a 5 for the Queen, because she's here. All right, Kenzie F. Baby, please say the baby. She's getting $15. That's a 10 and a 5. That's a 10 and a 5. Little chocolate. He's getting $15 also. That's a 10 and a 5. That's a 10 and a 5, even though he owes his sister $5 because she bought a McDonald's. But we ain't gonna talk about that right now. Gasolina. Gotta make sure we got snaps on the petrol. Okay, so we're gonna do 150, 50, 100, 150 for the snaps. For fast food, we are doing $10. Mikasa is going to get $25. Household products. Wait a minute. That's only $20. I'm tripping. 20 and a 5. Moving too fast. I said you doing too much. Nah, you ain't doing enough. Alright. Self-care is also going to get $25. Sis need to buy herself something nice. Okay. Now, seriously, this is for hair care products, and I actually have to do my hair this weekend, and I need to buy some magic fingers. If you braid hair, then if you know, then you know. Okay, magic fingers is where it's at. We are doing $10 for miscellaneous. I'm getting faster with this, y'all. And then we doing $5 for love. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $5 for love. We gotta show some love. We gotta spread some love. All right. That's it for the variable expenses. And that's on period. Now we are going into our grocery envelope. Because guess what? When they find out how much money sis making, they're going to cut the EBT off. So we might as well start saving up now so we won't be out here hungry in these streets. Okay. So we still have, I believe, 65. We have 20, 40, 50, 60. We have $65 left in groceries. We are going to add $100 to that. So now we have $165. We could do math out here. It's cool. We ain't got to count the dollars every time. I don't have my pencil. I'll update the tracker later. I always say that, but guess what? We ain't putting too much pressure. And last but not least, we going into the kids' school envelope. Because even though school just let out, school will be rolling back around before you know it. So, and I actually told Mackenzie I'm going to take her to start school shopping now. Because I'm not going to wait until, the last minute when everybody's trying to shop. So, we got 50, 100, 50, 200, 50, 300, 50, 400, 450, 455, 460, 461, 62, 63, 64, 465. We did take $10 out because we bought Trans the Spider-Man book bag and lunchbox combo that we saw in Burlington. Whole time, if we would have bought that at back to school time, that would have been between $25 and $35 for the Spider-Man. So we lucked up on that one. So we are going to be adding $300 to the back to school envelope. So now we have 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 450. Wait a minute. I be messing up, y'all. 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, 650, 700, 750, 755, 760, 761, 2, 3, 4, 765. So we have $765 for the kids back to school stuff, which is perfect. And that's why the trick is the money that I was using for the daycare, the money that I was using for Trance's before and after care. I actually used I took him out of the program for the summer because there's no need in me paying for summer program when he could be home with his brothers and sister who was old enough to watch him. So we took every other week the $300 every other week, and we're adding that to the school fund right up until the last payment, the last child support payment. Right before school starts, we're going to take that last payment and we're actually going to hold on to it so that we can make a payment towards the aftercare, because instead of him being in before care, I believe he's going to have to be in aftercare, but we'll see as the time gets closer. Guys, if you made it all the way to the end of the video, you are a real one, okay? I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. It's nothing like having a group of people behind you supporting you in a journey that you never even thought that you could do yourself. Y'all some real ones, okay? Even if you don't make it all the way to the end of the video, I would like for you to, so that YouTube can, number one, know that you love me, that you love my content, that my content is helpful. Drop me a pink and purple heart emoji. Drop me something sweet in the comments. Give this video a great big thumbs up, because YouTube loves when you show love on the content, and then it also pushes the content out to others who may be on a low income, who may feel like they are not able to save money, or just maybe in a bind and just feel like, oh, because I don't make a lot of money, I can't save. You most definitely can. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And until the next one, make sure you catch that giveaway video, because we getting this money together, y'all. That's all I'm gonna say. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below so you can join the team, so you can be like us and you can get your money together too. And that's on who? Period. Love y'all. Bye.